S300 User Guide Video. What's in the box? S300. Power cord. USB-C to USB-C cable. 3.5mm audio cable. Remote control. Quick start guide. Important safety instructions. Power on off. To power on the speaker, turn the power knob to on. To power off the speaker, turn the power knob to OFF. Note: in wired input mode, if no signal is received and no operation occurs for 15 minutes, the speaker will automatically turn off. In wireless input mode, if the speaker is not connected to any external wireless devices within 15 minutes, it will automatically turn off. In wireless input mode, if the speaker is connected to an external wireless device but there is no signal or operation for 15 minutes, it will enter power-saving mode. Playback will resume in approximately 1 second once audio starts again. This function is enabled by default. To turn this feature on or off, simply lower the volume to 0 and double-press the volume button. The indicator will blink once when the feature is turned off and blink twice when it is turned on. You can also disable or re-enable this function in the menu of Settings, Power Saving Mode on Edifier Home app. Source switch. Press the volume knob to switch between input modes. Bluetooth, blue indicator. AUX, green indicator. USB audio, red indicator. AirPlay, white indicator. Bluetooth connection. This speaker allows 2 Bluetooth devices to connect at the same time. The multipoint connection feature is disabled by default. To enjoy the feature, enable it in the menu of Settings, Multipoint Connection on the Edifier Home app. Connecting one device. Switch the speaker to Bluetooth input mode. The speaker will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode if no device is connected. The indicator will blink blue. If the speaker doesn't enter pairing mode, press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds. On your device, find and select Edifier S300 in the Bluetooth list. Once connected, the indicator will turn solid blue. The speaker will automatically reconnect to the last connected devices the next time the speaker enters Bluetooth input mode. To disconnect from the current device, press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds. Connecting 2 devices simultaneously. First, connect to your primary device. Then press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds to enter pairing mode again. On your second device, select Edifier S300 from the Bluetooth list. The indicator will turn solid blue once connected. To play audio from one device, pause playback on the other device. Bluetooth hidden mode. If no device connects within 10 minutes, the speaker will switch to hidden mode and the blue indicator will blink slowly. In this mode, new devices cannot discover the speaker, but previously paired devices can still reconnect from their Bluetooth list. To exit hidden mode, simply press the volume knob. Wi-Fi connection. You have 3 ways to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi. All methods work for Apple devices. For Android devices, please use method 3. Once connected, the indicator will stay solid white. Before you start, make sure your device is already connected to your Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is turned on. Method 1. Using Apple WAC, wireless accessory configuration. Switch the speaker to AirPlay mode. The indicator will blink white. If not, press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds. On your Apple device, open Wi-Fi settings. Select Edifier S300XXXX from the AirPlay speaker list to begin setup. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection. Method 2. Using the Apple Home app. Switch the speaker to AirPlay mode. The indicator will blink white. If not, press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds. Open the Home app on your Apple device. Tap plus and select Add or Scan Accessory. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection. Method 3. Using the Edifier Home app. Switch the speaker to AirPlay mode. The indicator will blink white. If not, press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds. Open the Edifier Home app on your device. On the home screen, tap Edifier S300 or tap the plus next to Devices and select Edifier S300 from the list. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection. Using Apple AirPlay. Once connected, you can stream audio to the speaker via AirPlay from Mac or PC with iTunes 12.8 or later, iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch with iOS 11.4 or later, Apple TV 4K or Apple TV 4th generation with tvOS 11.4 or later, any device that supports AirPlay. If your device does not support AirPlay, you can still use the Edifier Home app for additional features once connected. To disconnect from your current Wi-Fi network, set the speaker volume to 0, then press and hold the volume knob for 1.5 seconds. The indicator will blink white, indicating the speaker has disconnected from the network. USB audio streaming. Switch the speaker to USB audio streaming mode. Use the included USB cable to connect the S300 to your computer. On your computer, select Edifier S300 as the audio output device, and then start playback. Connecting via AUX Input. Switch the speaker to AUX mode. Use the included 3.5mm audio cable to connect the S300 to your audio source. Playback Control. To adjust the volume, rotate the volume knob clockwise or counterclockwise. To skip to the next or previous track in Bluetooth, AirPlay, or USB audio streaming mode, press the next or previous button. To pause or resume playback in Bluetooth, AirPlay, or USB audio streaming mode, press the play, pause button. To mute or unmute the speaker in AUX mode, press the play, pause button. Using the app. Download the Edifier Home app by scanning the QR code in your Quick Start Guide or the packaging, or by searching for it in the App Store or Google Play. Connect your speaker to your Wi-Fi network. Open the app and start exploring all its features. With this app, you can switch input modes, adjust volume, customize sound effects, and access more features. Factory reset. If needed, you can reset the speaker to factory settings. Press and hold the power knob and the previous button on the speaker for 5 seconds. Alternatively, open the Edifier Home app, go to Settings, Factory Settings to reset.